You guys, I just learned a super useful, really easy tip that I have been sleeping on for a long time. I'm Stephanie with FocusWP. I've logged into about a million WordPress dashboards, and I never pay any attention to this guy right here, this site health status. You can log into that screen by clicking right here, or you can jump down here to Tools, Site Health, and it gives you a surprising amount of information. And this info tab, you can wait for it to load. It's got to calculate a bunch of stuff, but I clicked on directories and sizes. I was wondering how big my site was, and you can go right down here and see the total installation size of your site, in addition to a bunch of other useful things that I somehow have just always ignored. Anyway, I thought that was a cool little tip. I hope it's helpful to you. Hope to see you soon.